Hello, Carolyn here. I just wanted to pop on here to share a few things that you can look forward to in the Yoga with Carolyn world over the next few weeks and the next season. So first off, the Winter Solstice Gathering is happening on December 21st at 7 p.m. and this is a 90-minute yin yoga practice. We will gather and celebrate the winter solstice together. You also, in this offering, will get a digital winter solstice toolkit, and this is just my fun way of having gathered a bunch of rituals and crafts and recipes that light me up when I celebrate the winter solstice, and might actually be a beautiful way for you to create your own ritual around the winter solstice. So there's a tarot spread in there and a few recipes and some crafts. So lots of fun stuff in that toolkit. The winter solstice is a really special time in the heart of the Yoga with Carolyn community because it's actually the 1-year anniversary of the first time that we ever gathered live stream. I know that I was super nervous during that first class. I was so nervous. I had never taught live stream yoga before, and it's so fascinating to see how much this community has changed and grown and bloomed over the course of the past year. So it would be so lovely to have you there to help celebrate this momentous time, as well as just the wonderfulness that happens around the first day of winter. Registration is also now open for the Cocoon yoga series, which is the winter yoga schedule. All classes start the first week of January, and the current schedule hasn't changed, so you still have 4 weekly classes to choose from, 4 different styles, so that you can really explore what might be the way in which you want to explore your winter season with your yoga practice. There are a bunch of different timings that you can choose from, so that hopefully you can find one that works in the time zone in which you are. And if you've never practiced live stream yoga before, I would recommend that maybe you test the waters out with the Winter Solstice Gathering, because that's just a one-off, because there really is a magic to practicing yoga from the comfort of your own home, and it would be so lovely to have you join in any of these live stream yoga classes. I have incorporated a new component to the live stream yoga classes this season, where you actually will have access to a video library. So whatever series that you are registered for, you will have access to that series' video library. So every week, the recording of that week's class will be uploaded to that library, so that you can come back to this recording, you can come back to this class if you missed it, or if you really loved it, so that you can come back to it time and time again. And you will have access to that video library during the entire 10 weeks of the series. So all of the details and the registration is found on my website, yogawithcarolynne.com. And in terms of what to expect for the YouTube channel, I'm going to stay a little quiet over the course of the next few weeks, just in order for me to be able to enjoy my winter and holiday season. And then you can expect new content to come out the first week of January. So over the course of the next few weeks, I have left a few links to some videos that I would recommend might be really nice to enjoy, and those can be found in the description box associated with this video. So I hope that I will see your beautiful self in any one of the live stream yoga classes, the gathering, and if not, I wish you and your family and your loved ones a beautiful and restful winter and holiday season.